The Kansas City Chiefs are entering one of the most important off-seasons of the Patrick Mahomes era. For several years, Kansas City dominated the AFC West and remained one of the most consistent contenders in the NFL. However, the 2025 season brought a very different reality. The team struggled to maintain the same level of success that fans had become used to, and for the first time in a long time, questions started to arise about how the Chiefs would move forward. After multiple deep playoff runs and championship appearances in previous years, the challenges of the past season have forced the organization to take a closer look at its roster and future strategy. Expectations were extremely high for Kansas City entering the 2025 season, especially with Patrick Mahomes still leading the offense and Andy Reid continuing to guide the team as head coach. But throughout the season, the offense struggled to consistently find its rhythm. A unit that had once been known as one of the most explosive in the NFL began to face difficulties producing points at the same level. Opposing defenses appeared better prepared to slow down the Chiefs' passing attack, which made it harder for the team to maintain control of games the way it had in previous seasons. Late in the season, the Chiefs faced an even bigger concern when Patrick Mahomes suffered a serious knee injury. Reports indicated that Mahomes tore the ACL in his left knee during Week 15, forcing him to begin a long rehabilitation process. Injuries like this are always significant for any player, but for a quarterback who plays such a central role in his team's success, the impact becomes even greater. Mahomes is now focused on recovery, and his progress will be one of the most closely watched storylines as the Chiefs prepare for the next season. At the same time, the landscape of the AFC West is beginning to change. For years, Kansas City had a firm grip on the division, but other teams have continued to improve their rosters. The Denver Broncos and the Los Angeles Chargers are both building competitive teams, which means the race for the division title could become much tighter in the coming seasons. Denver has especially gained attention with the development of young quarterback Bo Nix, whose performances have brought renewed optimism to the Broncos organization and added another layer of competition within the division. These developments have highlighted an important reality for Kansas City. Even a superstar quarterback like Patrick Mahomes needs strong support across the roster. Over the years, Mahomes has been able to elevate the players around him, but the challenges of the recent season showed how important it is to maintain balance on offense. Reliable playmakers at multiple positions are essential for sustaining the kind of offensive production that once defined the Chiefs. One position that could receive particular attention during the offseason is the running back position. Discussions have emerged about the future roles of players such as Kareem Hunt and Isaiah Pacheco as the team evaluates how to strengthen its offensive approach. A consistent running game could help take pressure off Mahomes while also opening more opportunities for the passing attack. As free agency approaches, several potential targets around the league are already being discussed. One player whose name has appeared in reports is Jacksonville Jaguars running back Travis Etienne. League insiders have suggested that teams within the AFC West, including Kansas City and Denver, may evaluate the possibility of pursuing Etienne if he becomes available. Known for his speed and versatility, Etienne has the type of skill set that could add another dimension to an offense. However, acquiring a player of that caliber would likely require a significant financial commitment. In addition to free agency, the upcoming NFL draft offers another important opportunity for Kansas City to improve its roster. The Chiefs currently hold 2 first-round picks, including a valuable selection near the top of the draft order. With those picks, the team could focus on adding an impact player who can immediately contribute on offense. Prospects such as Notre Dame running back Jeremiah Love have already attracted attention from analysts who are discussing potential fits for Kansas City's system. All of these factors make the upcoming offseason extremely important for the Chiefs organization. The decisions made over the next several months, whether in free agency, the draft, or roster adjustments, will play a major role in shaping the team's future. Much of that future will depend on Patrick Mahomes' recovery and the team's ability to surround him with the right supporting cast. Despite the challenges of the past season, the foundation of the Kansas City Chiefs remains strong. With an experienced coaching staff, a proven quarterback in Mahomes, and valuable opportunities to add talent to the roster, the team still has the potential to return to championship contention. The coming months will reveal how Kansas City responds to adversity, and whether it can once again establish itself as one of the most dangerous teams in the NFL.